without disclosing any company secrets as to when you might sell the product in the Baltics, do you think the Baltic countries are ready for business by design?
Yes, absolutely. I think that the Baltic region, we call it emerging market, carries all the signs of also being ready for business by design. You mentioned yourself that business by design is directed for the small and medium-sized market. It is a fact that we have a lot of companies who are not really ready because of many reasons. They do not have the in-house structure or capacity to really establish their own IT department and their own skills, minimum skills, to work together with partners to have their own system. It's just like plug and play. The concept is supposed to give smaller companies an opportunity to be offered state-of-the-art IT solutions. What we are offering is, let's say, a predefined concept, you're right, from which they can choose their requirements, and without being an expert at this stage on business by design, that is the concept, and that's how it's supposed to work.
Of course, it applies to companies that are willing to follow the standard business processes that are
correct, yeah. And I think it's the correct word to use, standards, because that's what it's all about. So what we are offering is our best practices, the standards, and making sure that all companies are in compliance with statutory requirements. My philosophy, being managing director for, let's say, a smaller region, is in fact to, let's say, pursue business on a per company basis. I mean, I do not distinguish between bigger or smaller markets. What I distinguish between is if we have an opportunity or not, and I believe we have a huge opportunity, SAP, that is, in the Baltic states. High-end market, low-end market, and we have an obligation to, of course, offer our products. Business by design is in let's say, on a world tour, so to say. Certain markets have been chosen to receive this concept, and I think that's a very normal procedure. We can also learn from, let's say, the mistakes that
you've had 100 customers that have been, partly experimental, but they all, some of them seem pretty pleased at a panel.
Yes, it is a process which involves technical issues, but also business issues, business model, etc., etc. So it's a combined operation of a lot of parameters that we need to take into consideration.
The Baltic businesses will find it easy to
oh yes. I'm amazed what I've seen in the Baltics as for readiness to receive applications and the interest into using IT technology into business is huge, and founded in I would say, well, preparation and education.